Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day, you're very welcome. And if you've been on this channel before and you're back again, thank you so much for coming again. And today I'm going to be showing you how to take up a dress. Very simple, easy and straightforward. So guys, let's get started. So here I'm trying to determine how many inches I'll be taking up. At first I thought I would need 2 inches, but later on I decided to go for 2.5 inches. As you can see, the dress has an irregular shape, and what you need to do is to make sure you're very careful when you're cutting, and you want to trace out, go according to the shape of the dress. So I'm taking 1.5, I'm gonna cut 1.5 off the dress. I am working with a silk fabric, so I have to be careful. Therefore, I'm doing my markings with a pen instead of a tailor's chalk. You can use anything you're comfortable with your markings. So now I'm going to cut all the way around. Cut off the 1.5 inches I've traced all the way around. So after cutting the fabric, the 1.5 inches, what you need to do is to take in the 1 inch. First of all, start by folding 1/2 inch, then go ahead and fold another 1/2 inch to make the 1 inch allowance, seam allowance. Then sew all the way around. So here you can see exactly what the dress is like. The irregular shape of the dress is now visible. You can now see the wearer's feet. Before you couldn't tell, you couldn't see nothing, and now you can. So guys, this is how to take up a dress. Very easy, simple, straightforward, no hassle. And I hope this video will help someone to take up their dress easily. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of my videos.